Hello friends, this is the Volkswagen Tiguan, the company's most popular compact SUV. In 2025 will premiere an all-electric versions of the car called the ID Tiguan. The new ID Tiguan will be built on the MEB-Plus platform, and the future electric Golf will be built on the same platform. The MEB-Plus architecture features new prismatic battery cells that deliver charging speeds of up to 200 kilowatts. The car will be produced at a plant in Wolfsburg, Germany. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.